Yeah, this is the parts of chicken. Chicken. The part of the chicken feet we cook today. Yeah. And this is the cooking pan. Yeah. We put like this. Cooking adobo Philippine dish with the mini luya in potato. Make the luya in bawang brown first. Kasi matagal na yung kulit natin yun. Okay, let's do. After that, you put this one. You put the mini basal. Basal yan guys. After that, you put the basal. If you want pure it again, you can do it again. Guys, pag-uwi tayo ng adobo. Adobo in conditioner.